Consequences of neglecting wheel alignment. Ignoring wheel alignment issues can have serious consequences for your vehicle and driving experience. Welcome to Auto V Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into consequences of neglecting wheel alignment. One, accelerated tire wear. Misaligned wheels cause uneven and excessive tire wear, leading to premature tire replacement and increased costs. 2. Reduced fuel efficiency. The added resistance and drag caused by misalignment force your engine to work harder, resulting in lower fuel efficiency and higher operating costs. 3. Compromised handling and safety. Poor alignment can affect steering responsiveness, braking performance, and overall vehicle control, increasing the risk of accidents and compromising your safety on the road. 4. Excessive strain on suspension components. Misaligned wheels place additional stress on suspension components, causing them to wear out faster and potentially leading to expensive repairs or replacements. 5. Decreased ride quality. Vibrations, pulling, and poor handling associated with misalignment can make for an uncomfortable and unpleasant driving experience. 6. Potential damage to other components. Severe misalignment can lead to excessive wear or damage to other components, such as ball joints, tie rods, and even the vehicle's frame or body. Getting your wheel alignment checked. If you suspect that your vehicle's wheel alignment is off, it's essential to have it checked and corrected by a qualified professional. Here's what you can expect during a wheel alignment service. 1. Inspection. The technician will thoroughly inspect your vehicle's suspension system, checking for any signs of wear, damage, or looseness that could affect alignment. 2. Measurement. Using specialized alignment equipment, the technician will measure the current camber, toe, caster, and thrust angle of your vehicle's wheels. 3. Adjustment. If any of the alignment angles are outside of the manufacturer's specifications, the technician will make the necessary adjustments to bring them back into proper alignment. 4. Test drive. After the adjustments are made, the technician may take your vehicle for a test drive to ensure that the alignment is correct and that there are no further issues. It's important to note that some alignment issues may be caused by worn or damaged suspension components, such as ball joints, tie rods, or control arms. In these cases, simply adjusting the alignment may not be sufficient, and the faulty components may need to be replaced before proper alignment can be achieved. Regular wheel alignments are an essential part of responsible vehicle ownership and maintenance. By keeping your wheels properly aligned, you can enjoy improved safety, extended tire life, better fuel efficiency, and an overall smoother and more enjoyable driving experience. Don't neglect this critical aspect of vehicle care. Investing in regular wheel alignments can save you money and peace of mind in the long run. And that concludes our discussion on consequences of neglecting wheel alignment. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.